To turn on or turn off one-handed mode in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then the settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find advanced features, and then tap advanced features. To turn on a one-handed mode, tap one-handed mode switch until blue, or to turn off or switch until black or until red, or tap one-handed mode menu to more option. Turn on one-handed mode. The features below cannot be used at the same time as one-handed mode. They'll be turned off. Tap OK if you sure. Temporarily scale down the display size for easy control of your phone with just one hand. You can also select a reduce display size option, for example button or gestures. If you select button, you can turn on one-handed mode by double tap the home button. And then to end to back, you can tap empty area of the screen, and when you select gestures, you can swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen, like this. Swipe down the center of bottom of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.